Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a portable tripod made by Panksy. I hope that's the correct pronunciation of the name. Please forgive me if it's not. Now this is a good looking tripod. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Now you can get this tripod from Amazon. It's the phone tripod. It's a flexible tripod and it's portable. For camera stand, wireless remote is included. It's adjustable. You can put different types of cameras, GoPros and those type things. Now, it's $19.99 on Prime. I will put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, now here's the box that comes in. I've seen this box before. That Cammy's a safe name, but nothing much on the box other than that. Let's go ahead and take the stuff out. Okay, that's the holder for the phone or device you're going to use. It's a little trouble getting this out of here. All right, so it comes in a nice little bag. Got an adapter right there. That's for the GoPro and other type devices you're going to use to put that onto the tripod. Okay, it's a nice little bag. It's got a suede look to it. Let's pull the items out of here. So this is the tripod. You got a little thank you card there, some other information. Let's pull this tripod out. Now, the tripod has rubber legs. They're flexible. It's like the Gorilla tripod, so that's pretty cool. And you're gonna have a lot of versatility with that. You got we got a remote control there, Bluetooth remote in the bag. All right, put that to the side. Now, these legs are pretty sturdy and they feel pretty good. They're rubbery. The other components feel pretty good as well. So for the price, I think it's a pretty good built tripod. Legs spread open, you set it up like that. Now this tripod has a ball head and it moves around very nicely, pretty smooth, almost like a fluid head, although it's not. I like the way it moves with such ease, and you can just kind of angle it around any way you want to. Very easy to move around, tighten with the screw right here. Now here's what it looks like on the tripod inside the holder. This is the iPhone 11 Pro, so it's fairly small, but it can expand to larger phones. I would be careful how large you go, but it can expand a little further. The ball head, as you can see, you can extend it down. There's a groove on the left side, on one side, that you can extend down even further than what you normally would. Tighten up with this screw right here. There's the groove I talked about right there, to more extension. Okay, so you got this screw mechanism right here you can use to tighten the bottom end of the ball so it doesn't move around. It turns counterclockwise or clockwise to tighten it, so you can do that to get some adjustability there. And you have this right here to control the top part of the ball to get that tightened as well. Now you can bend these legs, they're pretty flexible. So you can wrap them around things like a pole or a tree limb, something like that, to get different heights or put them in different places where you wouldn't put a normal tripod. So that's pretty good and offers a lot of flexibility there. As I mentioned, this piece is an adapter to use with a GoPro camera you can put on top of the ball head right there. So it's pretty good that they offer that to get some more flexibility with different types of devices. Okay, so this is the tripod. Now I just used this other tripod to demonstrate how you can just wrap it around something to utilize the tripod. So this could be a tree, could be a rail, but you can bend these legs to wrap it around whatever you want to make it hold in place so you can utilize it. Okay, this is the Bluetooth remote right here. You got a little hook on the bottom where you can put a lanyard inside there to put around your neck or something like that to hold on to it. Battery area right there, CR2032 battery. You have your button for your iOS camera right there, button for the Android camera right there. You can take pictures and record with that. Pretty simple Bluetooth remote right there, remote shutter. We'll look at how that works in a little bit. Okay, we're going to pair this up with an iPhone. That's the on button right there, on off button right there. You turn on the light flashes and you get a connection down there. You see that AB shutter 3 right there. Just hit that, go ahead and finish connecting to your device, and then you're ready to take some pictures. Okay, so it's all paired up now. Okay, so we got this paired up, so we're gonna take a picture real quick. You see the shutter button right there. Snap it. Pretty responsive and pretty quick, so no problems there. Now you can also hit the button to record video as well. One of the other things I wanted to show you is that you can shoot this in portrait mode because this ball head actually extends all the way to one side, and so it's pretty flexible. It's going to give you good range and a lot of versatility when you're shooting and allow you to do it in different modes and different settings. Okay, so that was a quick look at the portable tripod by Panksy. I think it's a good little setup. You get some nice pieces to it, and it's going to be pretty good for you if you want to do video reviews on the go, right? If you got any questions, hit them in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.